All right, so one of the mistakes that most tailors do is to draft clothes when it's rumpled. It's very wrong to draft your clothes when you have these rumples on it. Why is this so? If you have marked 2 inches now, for example, when you iron, these rumples will go off. By so doing, the 2 inches will expand because the fabric is not yet on its relaxed stage. So what do you need to do? You need to iron your fabric. Please make sure you always iron your fabric. This is the first step that every tailor must take, because the crave for perfection starts from your drafting. Most tailors don't iron; they just drafts, and they will be like, "Why they sew? They will not iron." No, you have to iron before you even draft. As long as the fabric has rumples, and it also saves you in case the fabric is elastic or shrinks, so that you will know the extent of the change in nature. So you have to iron all the fabric area you are going to work with. And in ironing, I suggest and recommend you use steam iron. Steam iron has a way of making the fabric to be soft. It has a way to make the fabric to be smooth, without changing the texture or the smoothness of the fabric. So you make sure you always work on iron surface, and don't have any doubts or don't have any reason why you should not iron your fabrics. Please make sure you iron all the areas that you are going to work on. So you must iron them out just like this. So this is one of the tricks I use, to achieve a neat job. So you iron out properly. So after you iron, you can now start your drafting, and you notice that your marking will not be looking neater and smooth. So if you are craving for perfection, these are the steps that you must undergo. All right, see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.